Sa zip9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on systems of equations or solving systems of equations using substitution. Sa previous video, nagkaroon na tayo ng 4 na examples. So, itutuloy na natin yung pang-5 natin dito. So, our 5th example, we have x plus 2y equals 6 and 2x plus y equals 9. So we can probably get the value of, or we can probably solve for x, no? That's equation na 1 natin. So we can solve for x here. We have x equals 6 minus 2y, no? So this is from equation 1. This is from equation 1. And then using equation 2, we solve for, we substitute the expression which is equivalent to x, no? So 2x here, but our x, yung equivalent value niya ay 6 minus 2y, 2x, and then plus y equals 9. And then by distributive property, 2 times 6 is 12 minus 2 times 2y is 4y plus y equals 9. And then 12 minus 3y equals 9. Subtracted 12 from both sides, we have negative 3y equals 9 minus 12. Negative 3y equals negative 3, and y is equal to 1. No? So, kuha na natin yung y. We solve for x by substituting. Siguro mas madali sa equation 1. So, from equation 1, we have x plus 2y. But meron na tayong value for y, which is 1, equals 6. So, x plus 2 equals 6. X equals 6 minus 2. And x equals 4. Okay, so dito sa unang example natin, or the 5th example in the series, we have x equals 4 and y equals 1 as solutions, no? Number 6, we have x minus 3y equals 0, and then 2x minus y equals 5. So I think it's obvious na mas madali pag we solve for x here, no? So from equation 1, we have x minus 3y equals 0, meaning x equals 3y. So this is from equation 1. Baka magtaka kayo kung saan galing. This is from equation 1. Okay, it's from equation 1. Now, next we solve for this equation. So again, pwede nating i-substitute yung 3y dito sa x, no? So we have 2 times 3y, this 2x, minus y equals 5. And then we have 6y minus y equals 5. Ang 6y minus y, of course, is 5y equals 5. And then dividing both sides by 5, we have y equals 1. Okay, so again, we substitute also para mas madali nating masolve yung x. I think it's better if we use the first equation here. So again, from 1, we have x minus 3y, which is yung ang y natin ay 1. Equals 0, we have x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3. No? So 3 yung ating x at y natin ay 1. So I think we can answer now. We have x equals 3 and y equals 1. Yun yung ating solution, the systems of equation. Okay, number 7. Ito yung pinakalas natin. we have a plus 1/3 b. Oh, sorry. A plus 3b pala is equal to 1/3. And 3a minus b equals 6. So, hindi palaging ano yan, no? Hindi siya palaging a whole number or hindi siya palaging integer. Minsan may fraction din tayo. So, I guess pwede na nating i-substitute yung a equals 1/3 minus 3b, or mas malamang mas madali ito, no? Yung anyway, we just do this, the first equation. So a equals, from the first equation we have a equals 1/3 minus 3b, no? So nag-minus tayo ng 3b on both sides, mawawala to, magma-minus 3b tayo dito. So ito na yun, no? And then we substitute here. So 3, this is from equation 1, and then we use equation 2. So 3 times a, which is 1/3 minus 3b. 3a pa lang ito, no? May minus b pa tayo dito, equals 6. And then 3 times 1/3 by distributive property is 1. Tatlong 1/3 ay 1. And then minus 3 times 3b, tatlong 3b ay 9b. And then minus b, yun nandito, is equal to 6. Yun nandito, no? So 1 minus 10b is equal to 6. And then we subtract 1 from both sides. We have negative 10b is equal to 6. Oh, sorry. 6 minus 1. And negative 10b is equal to 5. And b is equal to negative 5 over 10. Or negative 1/2. No? So we have b equals negative 1/2. And then we substitute here. No? So pwede naman tayo mag-substitute dito sa 3a, no? So 3a minus negative 1/2. This is minus b and your b is negative 1/2 equals 6, no? So 3a plus, 3a plus 1/2 equals 6. And then 3a equals 5 and 1/2, or ang 6 bawasan mo ng 1/2, that's also 11 over 2, no? So ang 6 pag binawasan mo ng 1/2, syempre 5 at kalahati. But then 3a can also be written as 2 times 5 is 10, 11 over 2, no? And dividing both sides by 3, we have a equals 11 over 6. So meron tayong a equals 11 over 6, saka meron tayong b equals negative 1/2. So makikita nyo, hindi siya palaging integer. So ito ang solution ng problem na ito, or ng systems na ito, ay a equals 11 over 6 and b equals negative 1/2. So I think that's it for this series on systems of linear equation by substitution. Ang susunod na pag-aaralan natin ay ang elimination naman. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial. Or sorry.